let's spray it.
What happened?
What happened? You spray it here?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Let's try again. There you go. Perfect. Perfect aim that time. Yeah, we should use maybe a towel for that.
I will rub it with my hand.
Well, we probably shouldn't use our hand. We usually suggest dull metal spoon. So let's get that really quick. So we have our spoon, and yeah, we just agitate it. You're doing a great job. Yep, try to get that spot. We gotta get it deep down in there. There we go. Well, we're pretty sure this is a makeup spot. Okay, now let's try to blot it up. Now we've got our towel, and then we blot it. There you go. Oh, good job.
I'm flying around. Oh.
Okay, there. Let's get it over. Yep. Okay, we need to blot it. There you go. You gotta put pressure on it so that it can get in the towel. Yeah, look, it's coming out. Just a little bit more. Here, I help.
I got it.
Okay, it's almost coming out. We just need to.
I want to do it.
Okay.
Boop, 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 boop. Hey, Dad, I brought in this makeup up.
Okay, we might need a little bit more agitation or something. It's almost out though. Okay, let's put just a little bit more on that because I don't think enough got on that specific area. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Perfect job.
Wait, what?
Okay, and there you go.
Now brush.
We agitate it.
Agitate it.
Yeah. Where did it go?
It's right here.
There it is. Yeah, this material is kind of tough to get to. It's not really like carpet, but it's kind of fluffy.
Let's bring around with a spoon.
Okay, we just need to blot it up.
Hey, Dada. Hey, Dada.
Yep, we just gotta get that spot here.
A bit pressure.
Yeah, there you go, pressure.
Oh, I did it a little bit. There's one for you.
Oh, thank you. Okay, I think it's actually gone. Let's let it dry and see how it looks, but it looks good. All right, here's the final result.